Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at HIMO's new e-bike, the ZB20. The HIMO ZB20 was a great hit on the market. Everybody loves it for its folding, premium design, and overall riding quality. And now we have the ZB20. I've spent days on it, and compared to the Z20, I personally think the ZB20 is a much better upgraded version because it sports two 20x4-inch fat tires. You know, fat tires have always been my favorite. Also, it comes with a bigger battery capacity and a more powerful motor. But my colleague Vivian has a totally different opinion on it.
Yeah, to be honest, for me, I won't buy such electric bike.
Why? Let's take a listen. For the boring unboxing part, it's just the same boring as other e-bikes, but I'm really glad it offers the front and rear mud fenders. Not every bike comes with that. As for the assembly, the most difficult part is installing the front stem. Unscrew to get rid of the covers as the video shows, and put on the unfolded handlebar part, and then screw the cover back. Don't need to screw tight at this stage, as you need to adjust the stem to the right front position. After that, screw tight everything. As for the key specs, the HIMO ZB20 comes with two 20x4-inch fat tires, a 350-watt rear motor, which gives you a max speed of 25 km/h. The battery is 48 voltage, 10 amp-hour, which should be able to give you a max of 80 km range on a single charge. In the mobile mode, of course. By the way, the battery is removable. For others, the bike has a 6-speed Shimano gear, a display that shows you the speed and battery information tracer, and the disc brakes on both tires. For more, you can check out the link in the description. Now to the most important part, the ride quality. We have Vivian here, who is totally new to the e-bike, and this was the first time she tried on the e-bike. The HIMO ZB20 weighs 28 kilograms. It's much heavier than some of the e-bikes that I've reviewed before, like the Elegant series. So it's not going to be easy to maneuver. Definitely takes some effort to ride, especially the first 2 or 3 meters. But once you get it started and the electric assist kicks in, the HIMO ZB20 will be unstoppable. You will love how limber, stable, and smooth it is, even the first time to try it. For me, of course, I will always test the 5 tires e-bikes a bit furthermore. There's no exception for the ZB20. I tried on steep slopes, rough city roads, and of course, how can I miss wild off-road testing? Overall, I feel comfortable and stable on all those terrains I've tested. The 20-inch fat tires work just fine at absorbing bumps in the road. Plus 28 kilograms weight and the dual front shock absorber, you will find the ZB20 is enough to handle even the toughest situation you run into. Now to the topic, why do you need a fat tire e-bike when you just need one for city commuting? Well, from my point of view, you will have a much more comfortable riding experience than those normal e-bikes, and it opens up a lot of possibilities. Like if you need some extra power to get out of sticky situations where you are commuting. Like if you want to enjoy your wildest fun for outdoor environments, with the HIMO ZB20, you can. And for sure, I personally truly recommend it. It's a solid, overbuilt, rugged, and high-end e-bike that's going to last for years, and it's worth every penny. But for sure, this bike isn't for everyone. If you think the weight of the bike is a deal breaker, like Vivian said,
Too heavy for me, I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't carry it out.
Yeah. Then I would recommend go and check out our all-time bestseller, the Elegant series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.